The Voxel is a great beginner 3D printer, but it's very different from Monoprice's other 3D printers. The Voxel comes completely assembled, ready to start printing out of the box. The unit is fully enclosed with clear panels and doors allowing you to view the print's progress. The 8GB internal memory allows for easy storage of prints, and transferring files to the printer is done through Wi-Fi or USB drive. The nozzle is easily removed by using the quick release levers. The side panel is also removable, allowing access to the filament compartment. Here you will find the filament storage and feeder mechanism. There is a removable build plate, which is flexible for easy removal of finished prints. The bed is also heated with a build area of 150 mm3 or 5.9 inches in each direction. The Voxel is calibrated out of the box, but should you need to adjust the first layer, calibration is found in the settings menu. And flip the power switch. Once on the main menu, select Tools, select Network, then select Wi-Fi. Now locate the slider in the top right corner and toggle the Wi-Fi on so the slider shows green. Select your 2.4 GHz band network from the list that appears. Enter your Wi-Fi password if necessary, and the printer should now be connected to the Wi-Fi network. If you prefer a wired connection, you're more than welcome to use the Ethernet port instead. Return to the home screen and select Tools. Then select About, locate the IP address that's on page 2, and write this number down for future steps.
Powder-coated aluminum frame, and of course the carry handle. But while it may look very similar on first glance, there's a ton of new innovation to talk about here, so let's get into the features. The first obvious feature change is the LCD screen. This means the LulzBot Mini 2 is tetherless out of the box with no need to be connected to a computer to operate the machine. Just put your G-code onto the included SD card, pop it in the printer, and select your file from the LCD menu. Next up, let's talk about the re-engineered and innovative belt drive Z-axis. The benefits? First of all, speed, which really makes a difference when starting a new print or making manual axis adjustments. But the big benefit of the belt drive is in print quality. No lead screws, no potential for Z-banding. Mini 2's Aero Extruder V2 toolhead is powered by a genuine E3D Titan Aero extruder and hot end, and features a powerful part cooling fan with 4-way ducting. This gives you acclaimed E3D hot end quality and extrusion accuracy, and allows you to print both rigid materials and flexibles up to 290 degrees Celsius. The heated bed is capable to 120 degrees Celsius and features a reversible borosilicate glass and PEI print surface, which simplifies maintenance and makes it easy to experiment with different substrates. Classrooms, libraries, and offices. Like all LulzBot 3D printers, the Mini 2 is built here in Loveland, Colorado, and comes with a 1-year warranty and our renowned technical support.